Alright, so court ain't go too good, which I expected. After being there all day, I just got out of court. Being there all day, listening to everybody's case and hearing the judge's verdict and seeing his demeanor and attitude towards everybody, I knew I ain't standing a chance. In fact, the officer that had told me that not to present myself in that manner of what's the right word?
Sovereign citizen argument that has never been successfully argued by anyone in the history of, well, ever.
Of basically just fighting for my rights. He gave me a forewarning. I did take it as if the court is not going to listen to me. Like the judge said, judge don't recognize the Supreme Court rulings. They don't. That court don't recognize my rights to travel. They don't even recognize the definition of motor vehicle. They don't recognize the definition of license. They don't recognize the definition of driver.
No, they just do not recognize your definitions. Why? Because your definitions are outdated, cherry-picked, and just plain stupid.
After hearing the definitions, they still don't recognize it. So, and after them hearing the deprivation of your rights, I read that to them. And yet they still don't recognize anything that I was saying. So my next step is not to pay these fees, because I told them, I do not wish to do business with your organization, your corporation.
What do you think this is, Walmart and Starbucks, where you can just choose not to do business with them? That's not how the law works.
And I'm not going to do business with them. I'm going to readdress the situation, ask for appeal, and go from there. I'm going to continue this fight because they didn't put all of this stuff on a piece of paper for no reason. And the state of North Carolina only recognizes state of North Carolina laws. Not your constitutional rights, not your common rights, not the color of law, not the law of the land.
You just don't understand your rights. That's the problem here.
Change is gonna have to come, and I'm going to fight for that change, no matter what. I feel as if my fight is not only for me, but for everybody. But to keep getting the goal is to wake everybody up. That gray hair. It's to wake everybody up, so everybody can now look into that law dictionary and recognize our rights. Well, that's it. Over and out. Another day. Love, everybody. Peace.
Well, good luck on your one-man crusade to wake up the world. I only ask one thing: please document all of it and post it so we can all follow along for educational purposes, of course. Right? That's it for another video. I really do hope you enjoyed this one as much as me. If you did, then please leave a like, share, and subscribe to Trial Tactics TV. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you to all my patrons for your continued support. I really do appreciate it. Take care, and I will catch you in the next one.